As you can see, we've got it in this light blue color right here, which of course has some lighter regions over on the bottom and then darker regions on the top. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is OtterBox's Figura series with MagSafe case for none other than my beautiful iPhone 15 Pro Max right here. So before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending it out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But anyway, let's start getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So up here on the box, it says the name of the case and the brand. Over here, we got a bit of a cutout to actually see and feel the case itself. And over here on the back, it says it was drop tested to military standard, flexible soft touch material, and ultra slim as well. So let's go ahead and open up the Figura box and slide this guy out and then just pop it right off this paper. And then boom, now we've got it all ready to use. So let's grab my 15 Pro Max in natural titanium right here and put this case on. Wow. And as you can see, we've got it in this light blue color right here, which of course has some lighter regions over on the bottom and then darker regions on the top. It almost looks sort of like clouds, kinda. We've got the MagSafe rings right over here, a raised lip to protect the camera array on the back, side button right here in this solid shade of blue. Over here, we've got same shade of blue for the volume buttons as well as the action button. And of course, that's a new feature of the 15. If I hold mine down, I have it set to open up my camera right there. Over on the bottom, we've got cutouts for the, of course, brand new USB-C port right here, as well as the speaker grills. And over on the front, it looks like we also have a raised lip around the front. So in theory, if you put your phone down on a flat surface, the screen should not be touching it. First impression-wise, I will say this case definitely feels super slim in the hand. The material it's made of, it doesn't feel necessarily slippery, but it also doesn't feel grippy. It just feels like kind of smooth and in the middle in terms of that right there. But let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe. I have Apple's own MagSafe battery pack right here. Clicks on nice and easy and starts charging this guy up, which is obviously what you'd expect from a MagSafe case, so nothing surprising there. We can also test it out with my Apple MagSafe charging puck, and boom, that works as well. And with that, folks, there's not really much more to say about this OtterBox Figura case right here. If you want it for yourselves, it will set you back about $50, so pretty reasonable price for a case. And definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? Let me know. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 15 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases that I've unboxed for this phone on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that playlist down in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.